sigh. I see her walking down the avenue. I guess she blew my mind.
Now this has been one of the most requested video on this channel, and I have actually done like a college lookbook before. I think 2018 में किया था. It is like one of my initial video, and I'll link it here. You can watch it. Now there is this fun twist that I'm adding in this video. So all these outfits will be created mainly using jeans. Also I've done like 2 more jeans lookbook videos in the past. So the first one is this jeans plus t-shirt lookbook, which I think right now is one of my most viewed styling video. It has crossed 50k views, so yay for that. And उस वीडियो को शेयर करो. Let's make it more viral because I love that video. I love the outfits. They are very simple, very like easy to recreate. So you can check that out if you want like specific jeans plus t-shirt outfits. And the second one is this jeans plus sweatshirt outfits. And considering winters आने वाले, I think it's the perfect video. So again, check that out. I'll link it in the description. So I've taken these loose flare pants, the very like 90s style. And to just add a balance here, I have added a crop top. Now the length of this top is not that short, so it's like very convenient for colleges. There's a dress code violation nahi hota. And I really like this look. You can just carry it as it is, or you can layer something on top of it. Now I have this very cute top that I got from H&M, and I think if I layer this on top of this outfit, एक तो हमारा पूरा dress code वाला scene भी सही हो जाएगा. And I think this will totally elevate the look. So let me put it on, and we'll see how this looks. Okay, I love this. Now this can be tied here at the front like this, and you can just wear it like this, but I personally don't like it. So I like to keep it open. I love the monotone vibes. I love how simple it is, yet it's very aesthetic. And yeah, like the silhouette of the outfit looks really good. It looks well balanced. I just completed it with these hoops, golden hoops and nude flats, and that's it. This is the final look. You can go for either this vibe or this vibe. I personally prefer bagged bags because they look cuter, but then for functionality, a backpack would be more like practical, I would say. So yes, this is the first look. Now let's do some outfits with black jeans. I think black jeans हर एक के पास होती है. It's a closet essential. So a lot of you will be able to recreate this outfit. Now these jeans are from Levi's. I love them. थोड़ा सा ही नीचे से straight fit के हैं. So I love the silhouette of them. And अगर black jeans की बात हो रही है तो first of all I think we need to do a black on black fit. So I'm wearing this black t-shirt that I got from H&M. यहाँ पे कुछ लिखा हुआ है इस पे, but it's again a very basic top, काफी solid सा है apart from this text. And I'll just front tuck it a little bit here. So थोड़ा सा shape देने के लिए I'll front tuck it. I want to keep this outfit very basic. So मैंने ये छोटू से earrings डाले हैं, a watch. And now the star of this outfit, which is this bag. So this jhola bag kind of that I got from Lulu and Sky. मुझे ना इस type के bags बहुत पसंद है. I think colleges के लिए जा रहे हो आप, बाहर कुछ errands run करने जा रहे हो, if you are going out to work, इस type के bag इतने बड़े होते हैं, you can literally fit your entire world inside it. And this gives me very Korean vibe, but मुझे ना कुछ missing लग रहा है. Wait. I think I'll add a few rings in it. So if I'm not wearing like any necklace, I think I need some rings here. So I'll just put on a bunch of these rings. I'll stack some of these, and basically like the overall idea is to add a lot of rings. And now I think the outfit looks complete. Now for the next outfit. This look is going to be the base for this outfit, and I want to make it very dressy, very like the boss lady wali vibes चाहिए. So what will we add? A blazer. Okay, so I have this blazer that I got from H&M, and I think ये इतने अच्छे से complement करेगा इस outfit को. All black look में ये blazer बहुत cute लगने वाला है for sure. See, I told you. So I've just added this blazer, and बाकी सारी jewelry मैं same रखूँगी. But I don't want to add a necklace here. अब हम dress up कर ही रहे हैं outfit को, so let's add a necklace as well. So I'm adding this like a little bit of a statement necklace. ये ज़्यादा dainty सा नहीं है. So I think something like this will look really good. ये मैंने Ajio से ली थी, and ये काफी cute है. Let me put these on and not fall. Damn. अगर अभी के टाइम पे मैं कॉलेज जा रही हूँ, आई थिंक मैं ब्लेजर सबसे ज्यादा पहनती हूँ. आई एम सो ऑब्सेस्ड. मुझे ये आउटफिट लाइक आई डोंट वांट टू चेंज. I don't want to get out of this fit. I just want to go somewhere now.
And now that pretty dress.
Okay, one last outfit with black jeans. Red color already makes you look like a royalty. It makes you look so good. तो इसके ऊपर से satin shirt है, तो ये I love this shirt. I think this is one of the most dressiest piece that I have in my closet. Now I am going to just tuck one side of this shirt. So you usually do this one side tuck when you want your outfit to be a little dressy but then casual at the same time. I am going to add a pearl necklace. Yes, hear me out. Let's see this. So this time I'm going to add this ulta. So normally इसको ऐसे पहना जाता है with this pendant at the front, but I just want the pearl. So मैं इसको उल्टा पहनूंगी ताकि pendant पीछे चल जाए and सिर्फ pearl दिखे like this. And I think this is the entire outfit. I don't want to do a lot because there's already so much going on. मैंने बस nude flats पहने, jewelry सारी पुरानी वाली है, rings, bracelet, छोटे से earrings, and that's it. I think this kind of outfit gives like a very main character energy. Like you are the main character of your life, and this outfit just shows it.
You look so
These are
fine
super dressy outfits. And look what have I come down to. So now I'm wearing one of my most worn jeans ever. I think पिछले साल की मेरी styling videos में literally हर styling video में ये jeans होती थी. I love them. These are from Forever 21. And today I'm going to style this with an oversized tee. I think literally everyone and their mom is wearing it. And why not? I mean, they're the comfiest, they are baggy, they're oversized, they're the epitome of comfort. But they don't look that flattering if you don't style them properly. So what I'm going to do is बहुत easy technique है, मैंने पिछले भी काफी वीडियोस आपको दिखाई है, which is back tucking. तो इस टाइप की oversized t-shirt को बस back से tuck करो and voila, there you have it. So you can do something like this. You can even like just front tuck it or do something else. But I think when your t-shirt is that long, back tucking is the best thing. And मैंने उसको style किया है with this really cute necklace. I got this from Ever Stylish. काफी प्यारा पे dainty piece. And I'll wear sneakers with this, and that's it. This is the next outfit. I've got one more outfit with the same jeans. So let me just put it on, and I'll be back in a second. So I got this top from Max recently, and literally मैंने इसको 2 हफ्ते पहले लिया है, and तब से मैंने 2 बार ये same outfit already बाहर पहन लिया है. Believe me, I love this. For styling it, I think front tucking it is the best way to go. Now for this one piece, I don't want to go for gold jewelry. मुझे ना इस ऐसी cool tone के साथ silver tone vibe ज़्यादा पसंद है. So I'm wearing these silver hoops, this necklace from H&M. I can even layer one more necklace क्योंकि काफी dainty से pieces आई हैं. So laying them together looks really good. And the outfit is done. You can wear this with transparent heels like these, or with white sneakers depending on how casual you want to go. And
pretty summer dress is pretty
so for
as
this one, I am wearing one of my favorite pair of jeans. These are from I think these are from Off Duty. Yeah, these are from Off Duty. And इसका मैंने पूरी एक वीडियो करी है. I'll link it here and the description bar. So मैंने ये fitted top लिया है, which I got from H&M. This is a ruched top actually. So ये like this is the length of the top. That's got these drawstrings at the side, and you just pull them up and crop your top according to your desired length. Now I personally prefer it a little cropped because ये काफी high waisted है, and a little bit of skin show here doesn't do anybody any harm. Now to dress this up, first of all I'll take this necklace. I got this from Amazon, and it just dresses up any outfit. So since हमारा ये top वाला part बहुत bare लग रहा है, see, after adding the necklace, it already looks so much better. It has just given some depth to the outfit, and I'll complete the look with this watch, basic watch, and I'm wearing these nude set. Even a sling bag like this will look really good. You can just like put it on the side, and I think since this bag में ये chain वाला strap, नहीं not strap, मतलब ये chain वाला thingy on the side, so it matches the necklace and just is making the outfit a little cohesive. Now let me add a playful twist to this with another ruched top. So I have another ruched top in this very beautiful lavender color. ये मैंने street style store से लिया है, and even this is going really well with the with these jeans. Now for this one, I want to make it more playful and throw a different vibe देनी है. So I'll add this pearl necklace on top of it. And this time I went with nude flats क्योंकि यहाँ पे काफी colors हैं, like this lavender and the blue. So I think इसके साथ nude से flats ज़्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. If you want to wear something really fancy but नीचे से jeans ही पहनना है, just go for a top like this. So I got this top from Street Style store and just look how beautiful it is. I love the neckline. The neckline is very flattering. It makes it look very feminine. And what's the delicacy vibe देता है. And I just paired this with transparent heels. So आप किसी event के लिए, fest के लिए, या फिर in general you want to dress a little fancier, go for something like this. Although it's very comfortable, like there's nothing uncomfy about it. And I've just added so many rings. काफी ऐसे glittery ऐसे चमक धमक वाली रिंग मैंने पहनी है. And these pearl earrings and that's it. This is the outfit.
She looked at me and laughed.
With this we come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you liked it, like करना, comment करना, share करना, subscribe करना. Please share this video with your friends. Share this channel with your friends. And अगर आपने अभी तक subscribe नहीं किया है, so what are you waiting for? Subscribe करो यार. Click on this red button to subscribe. Then click on the bell sign so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, I want to ask you, do you want me to do a part 2 of this video? So comment down below if you want me to do a part 2 with colorful pants. So आज तो मैंने सारे blue, black, like very basic, very traditional jeans use करी to create all these outfits. But I do have like a lot of fun, colorful pants in my closet. And if you want me to do a part 2 with those, tell me in the comments. Video like करना, and if I get a good response, I promise I'll be back with the second part. And yes, that's it. All the links of everything that I'm wearing in this video will be there in the description bar. Check कर लेना. And I'll go now. Bye guys, I'm so grateful for you. Thank you for being here and I love you. Bye.
So where you wanna go? Let's see it all. Selfies on the Great Wall, maybe the Taj Mahal. Hey, we could stay out late after dark. Take a gamble in Monaco, we could swim with the sharks.